Hi, this is not my usual videos that I usually make. It's usually me in my room, and now I'm outside. Welcome, my name is Sorrow. Today we're going urban exploring, urbexing, whatever it's called again, I don't know. I had to stop by a store real quick to get myself an energy drink before I go urbex because I'm not spending the night there just because, but I'm just making a video. I'm just making a video, okay? This video is not my usual video. As you see, I'm outside, not in my room like usual. This will be on my YouTube channel, but I'm making this video because I have a therapist who wanted to see an abandoned building I decided to visit with my friends. I'm going alone because nobody is in town. So here I am going alone, urbex exploring. Before I get in, I have to put on my mask, so I'm sorry if the video gets muffled all of a sudden. That's because I'm wearing a mask, and normally I have to do it because of asbestos and dust. So just be aware. Road, so I have to be fucking careful. But anyways, this is the train stuff. So I'm going through this really quickly because I don't have much memory on my phone, but overall this is like it. Okay, I'm about to enter. Hope there's no squatters here because this place is very dear to me because it's really special. Here I am on top of this. Hopefully there's no squatters. Oh my god. This is the thing. I have to go from a certain area. This is it. Get to experience it. Here you go. There's glass everywhere. Oh, there's a vape here. Sorry. Yeah, that's just a brick ass wall. Oh my god, I'm so scared to get caught in here. I have to wear a mask because this is dust over here. This is all debris and decaying from up, and I have to wear a mask. This is the train that I looked in when I was in this train. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at this. Y'all, how could someone possibly leave this behind? Man. There's glass everywhere. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Could I get in here? No! Fuck! No! But look, man. Holy fuck, man. That is insane. You could not believe in my shock when I saw that. This is inside of the train. I have to use my flashlight because it's very dark in here. Oh. Here's more of this train. Looks like there were teenage people here because there's monsters and hells and everything. Energy drinks, basically. There were squatters in here, it seems. But, yeah.